Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica with us in the shop. And it had came in because, originally it came in, I think this machine, if I remember, is, 5 years old. This is the first time being serviced, so it's really good life span on it. But it had came in because every time you turned it on, you would get a general alarm, which is usually no good. You never want to see the general alarm go off. And then you'll see that the tray for grounds container was never scanning. It was never hitting the lever. And so I had brought it on the bench, took it apart first, and then started testing it. It seemed like there was a lot of coffee buildup. And so when I started to clean it out with the compressor and the screwdriver, the grounds container lever started working. And so it's been working ever since. And so that was neat, but there was a lot of coffee buildup in this machine. I spent a while scrubbing it, and I'll show you the inside of the machine real quick. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but I had cleaned the door completely. And it's going to be hard because I don't have really before and after pictures, but I cleaned the door completely. New spouts right here because the other ones are cracked. Reuse this, cleaned all this out, cleaned the chamber out. There's a brand new brew unit in there. Usually we service them, but that's a brand new one just for this one. And then cleaned all the walls, cleaned the drip tray, cleaned the grounds container. And yeah, it's starting to work normally now. Also, we descaled your machine with our descaling solution, and then that usually takes a while, so I ran that through, made sure it got through the whole machine, and did a few cleaning cycles just to get, because you could clean the spouts, they're pretty easy to clean, but there's a lot of tubing that goes to the spouts that you still have to clean, so I cleaned those too. But yeah. Oh, and then we replaced the water pump on this machine. It was just getting older, and you could hear the sound of it starting to rattle a little bit. It's struggling a bit to get water through the machine. But yeah, so now we're going to test the machine by getting a cup. We're going to do a double. You're going to hear the brew unit move around in there, the infuser. And I also lubricated the infuser railing where it goes up and down, so it won't sound super loud when it starts moving. It's very silent when it moves. That's because we lubricated the transmission. Now it's going to start to brew. And this is just using our test coffee that we have here. You might not see a lot of crema or anything like that because it might be a little older. Of course, we just use it for testing the machine. And yeah. And I think this is coarser coffee. So this is on number 7, so it's the coarsest you could get. You can make it finer, of course. But yeah. And then we're going to test the other functions of the machine. Starting with hot water. Hot water you do by clicking this first and then pulling the switch. And a steady stream should come out. And since we descaled it, it should be a really steady stream. It looks good. Turn this off so we can get real steam. Now it's going to be a few steams of water first as it gets hot. And then once it starts getting hot, it'll start to build steam. And it's looking good. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.